I have a Bryant fb4anf030 electric furnace. Where is the filter in this furnace?
There is a slot for the filter at bottom of unit, if installed in vertical position, see image below. However, many contractors elect to install a filter grill in wall or ceiling and do not install a filter in the unit. If you have one though, this is where it will be. http://i.inger.com/vr984cc.png. Thanks for letting me work with you. If my answer has been polite, professional, and thorough, please click one of the ratings now. If you still need help, let me know. Expert is not paid for assisting you until you rate answer. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified.
So you're saying that some installers don't let a filter on the system? And what size filter would go into the furnace itself?
The filter designed for the air handler is 21 5/8 x 16 1/4 x 7/8. See link below, http://www.appliancefactoryparts.com/search/part/2759111/123144/. What I am saying about some contractors not putting a filter in the air handler, is that instead of a filter in air handler, they install a filter in a grill in wall or ceiling depending on whether air handler is in closet or attic. It is easier for homeowner to change filter in a grill that opens, rather than in the air handler. See image below, http://i.inger.com/8kl.jpg.
I checked the furnace and it only has that silvery insulation stuff around the bottom. I can't seem to find the filter.
Do you have a filer in the return wall grill?
No, there is only one large air grate in the house and it does not have a filter in it.
Your filter should be on this little one panel at bottom of air handler, see below. http://i.inger.com/e3nbb3.png. If you have no filter in this panel or in the grill at wall, perhaps you have an electronic air cleaner installed below the air handler or in return ductwork. Can you upload a photo of your installation? See air cleaner below, http://i.inger.com/uip1is.jpg http://i.inger.com/uaoscar3.jpg.
I will check, but there is definitely nothing below the furnace as far as an auxiliary cleaner.
Let me know what you find. Surely there is some type of filtering system. I am betting you have one of these electronic air cleaners pictured. If so, give me model on it and I can tell if it has a throwaway or washable filter in it.
Thanks.
Look forward to hearing back.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.